पढ़ाई मैंने करनी है, चश्मे को नहीं, चलो पढ़ो।
Deep water. William Douglas was born in, से हमें फर्क नहीं पड़ता।
अरे नाम, हाँ, डीप वाटर विलियम डोगलास। दोगला आदमी है, गहरा पानी चैप्टर है, लेकिन चैप्टर में गहरा पानी नहीं होगा। मैं
अच्छा।
आई डोंट रिमेम्बर।
नहीं, इस इंसान को
एक मिनट थोड़ा नीचे को मुझे याद आ जाए, हो सकता है कि क्या चैप्टर था। नीचे कर,
ठीक है।
एक मिनट वो पढ़ के याद आ जाएगा।
विलियम डगलास के बारे में पढ़ के
और नीचे, अच्छा हाँ, याद आ गया बहुत बकवास
ज़्यादा
है।
याद करने की जरूरत नहीं है, मैं सुना रही हूँ। It happened when I was 10 or 11 years old. ये तो याद नहीं है। I had decided to learn to swim.
ये क्वेश्चन में टेस्ट में आया था।
There was a pool at the YMCA in Yakima that offered exactly the opportunity. The Yakima River was treacherous. Mother, treacherous क्या होता है?
गहरा, बट तू प्रोनाउंस कर। आ गया।
गिल्टी।
रिवर भी गिरती था।
पढ़ते कैसे इसका?
treacherous,
क्या गलत पढ़ा मैंने?
Treacherous.
Treacherous. Mother continually warned against it and kept fresh in my mind the details of each drowning in the river. But the YMCA pool was safe. It was only 2 or 3 feet deep at the swallow end. And
Shallow.
कुछ भी. And while it was 2 or 3 feet deep at the
ना देखो तो तू मुझे क्या ही पढ़ा देगी।
It was 9 feet deep at the other. The drop was gradual. I got a pair of water wings and went to the pool. Water wings उसको कहते हैं. I hated to walk the Yakima River. ये क्या हर चैप्टर में एक मैप होता है?
Yakima was treacherous. 10 to 11
Late
years
into
old.
it.
Mother told not to go into treacherous, so he went into YC.
Yakima.
Yeah, YCM.
YMCA. Naked into it and show my skinny legs. वो नजर कैसे आएंगे पानी के अंदर से? But I subdued my pride and did it. From the beginning, however, I had an aversion to the water when I was in it. This started when I was 3 or 4 years old and father 3-4 साल का, इसको याद ही तो है, took me to the beach in California. He and I stood together in the surf. I hung on him, yet the waves knocked me down and swept over him. I was buried in water. My breath was gone. I was frightened. Father laughed, but there was terror in my heart at the overpowering force of the waves. मैं भी waves
हाँ, तो the question is why was he frightened to go into water? So the answer is
When I was 3-4 years old, I drowned and father was laughing at me.
है, ये कहाँ लिखा था?
अभी यही तो लिखा है. My breath was gone. I was frightened. Father laughed. My introduction to the YMCA pool revived unpleasant memories and stirred childish fears. But in the little while I gathered confidence, I paddled with my new water wings, watching the other boys and trying to learn by aping them. I did this for 2 or 3 times on different days, and I was just beginning to feel at ease in the water when the misadventure happened.
कुछ ही नहीं है।
I went to the pool when no one else was there. The place was quiet. The water was still, and the tiled bottom was as white and clean as a bathtub. I was timid about going in alone, so I sat on the side of the pool to wait for others. I had not been there long when in came a big bruiser of a boy, probably 18 years old. He had thick hair on his chest. Background music गलत चल रहा है. He was a beautiful physical specimen. और जब आप बायो के लैब में स्पेसिमेन पढ़ रखे होते हो तो ये स्पेसिमेन कुछ और ही सुनाई देता है.
मुझे कुछ नहीं पता।
एक अमीबा सोच ले. With legs and arms that showed rippling, फिर से back with rippling muscles, he yelled, "Hi, skinny! How do you like to be ducked?" With that, he picked me up and tossed me into the deep. I landed in a sitting position, swallowed water, and went at once to the bottom. I was frightened, but not yet frightened out of my wits. On the way down, I planned. 3-4 साल का था नहीं?
नहीं ना।
अच्छा, अभी बड़ा हो गया, 10 या 11.
एक मिनट, लड़का 18 साल का था, ये कितने साल का था? अरे नो क्या हो, एक मिनट।
I went to the when Miss Adventure happened. My introduction to YMCA वो तभी हुआ था ना, तो मतलब
कितने साल का
11
था?
साल का ही है, शुरू में ही तो हुआ था ना,
हाँ,
On the way down, I planned when my feet hit the bottom, I would make a big jump to come to the surface, like flat on
मतलब
it.
सोचो आप पानी में और आप प्लान करें, मैं नीचे जाऊंगा और पैर जोर से मारूंगा और मैं ऊपर आ जाऊंगा
And paddled to the edge of the pool. It seemed a long way down. Those 9 feet were more like 90, and before I touched bottom, my lungs were ready to burst. But when my feet hit bottom, I summoned all my strength and made what I thought was a great spring upwards. I imagined I would bob to the surface like a cork. Instead, I came up slowly. I opened my eyes and saw nothing but water. Water that had a dirty yellow tinge to it. I grew panicky. I reached up as if to grab a rope, and my hands clutched only at water. I was suffocating. I tried to yell, but no sound came out. Then my eyes and nose came out of the water, but not my mouth. I fell to the surface of the water, swallowed and choked.
ये हालांकि मैंने स्विमिंग कभी नहीं की है, लेकिन इसको पढ़ने के बाद मैं स्विमिंग वैसे भी कभी नहीं कर पाऊंगी।
I tried to bring my legs up, good, and they hung as dead weights, paralyzed and rigid. A great force was pulling me under. I screamed, but only the water heard me. I had started on the long journey back to the bottom of the pool. I struck at the water as I went on, expending my
आराम से पढ़, मुझे सुनना है।
as one in a nightmare flight. I struck at the water as I went down, expending my strength as one in a nightmare fights in an irresistible force. I had lost all my breath. एक सेकंड,
बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक। तो सब बीजीएम के लिए कितना कुछ करना।
I struck at the water as I went down, expending my strength as one in a nightmare fights an irresistible force. I had lost all my breath, my lungs ached, my head throbbed. I was getting dizzy, but I remembered the strategy. I would spring from the bottom of the pool and come like a cork to the surface. I would lie flat in the water, strike out my with arms and thrash with my legs, and I would get to the edge of the pool and be safe. I went down in the
Full
sea.
stop.
And
सांस ले ले।
I opened my eyes. Nothing but water with a yellow glow, dark water that one could not see through. And then sheer, stark terror seized me. Terror that knows no understanding. Terror that knows no control. Terror that no one can understand who has not experienced it. I was shrieking underwater. I was paralyzed underwater. Stiff, rigid, with fear. Even when the screams in my throat were frozen, only my heart and the pounding of my head said that I was still alive. And then mixed with the terrible touch of reason, I must remember to jump when I hit the foot down. At last I felt the tiles onto me. My toes reached out as if to grab them. I jumped with everything
I had.
but the jump made no difference. The water was still around me. I looked for ropes, ladders, water wings, nothing but water. A mass of yellow water held me stuck. Terror took an even deeper hold on me like a great charge of electricity. I shook and trembled with fright. My arms couldn't move. My legs wouldn't move. I tried to call for help, to call for mother. Nothing happened. And then, strangely, there was light. I was coming out of the awful yellow water. At least my eyes were. My nose was almost out too. And I started down a third time. I sucked for air.
Third time?
And got water. The yellowish light was going out. And all effort ceased. I relaxed. Even my legs felt limp, and a blackness swept over my brain. It wiped out fear. It wiped out terror. There was no more panic. It was quiet and peaceful. Nothing to be afraid of. This is nice, to be drowsy, to go to sleep. No need to jump, too tired to jump. It's nice to be carried gently, to float along in space. Tender arms around me, tender arms like mothers. Now I must go to sleep. I crossed to oblivion and the curtain of life fell.
मरा नहीं है.
The next, I remember I was lying on my stomach beside the pool vomiting. The chap that threw me in was saying, but I was only fooling. Someone said, the kid nearly died. Be alright now. Let's carry him to the locker room. Several hours later, I walked home. I was weak and trembling. I shook and cried. When I lay on my bed, I couldn't eat the night. For
क्या है
days,
कि पोएटिक कड़ा है. Shook and cried, couldn't क्या couldn't eat
I
at
couldn't
night.
eat. For days, a haunting fear was in my heart. The slightest exertion upset
Ramses,
making me wobbly in the knees. Wobbly क्या होता है?
wobbly हिलते हुए कल आया था ना wobbly doors.
Wobbly in the knees and sick to my stomach. I never went to the pool. I feared water. I avoided it whenever I could. A few years later, when I came to know the waters of the Cascades, I wanted to go get into them. And whenever I did, whether I was wading the Titan or bumping river or bathing in warm lake of the Goat Rocks, the terror of bathing in warm lake of the the terror that it sees me in the pool would come back. It would take possession of me completely. My legs would completely become paralyzed. Icy terror would grab my heart. This handicap stayed with me as the years rolled by. In canoes on main lakes fishing for land. जबकि ये बड़े अंकल विलियम डोलगास ने लिखा है, पर ऐसा लग रहा है 10-11 साल के बच्चे ने लिखा है, क्योंकि हमारे दिमाग में इमेजरी है. Bass fishing in New Hampshire, trout fishing on the Deschutes and Metolius in Oregon, fishing for salmon on the Columbia, at Pumping Lake in the Cascade. Wherever I went, the haunting fear of the water followed me. It ruined my fishing trips, deprived me of the joy of canoeing, boating and swimming.
Boating
हो जाता, कभी कभी डूब जाता. I used every way I knew to overcome this fear, but it held me firmly in its grip. Finally, one October, ये लिखा हुआ तो it held me firmly in its grip. लग रहा है 10 साल के बच्चा क्या बकवास कर. Finally, one October, I decided to get an instructor and I learned to swim. I went to the pool and practiced 5 days a week, an hour
one
each day.
October.
The instructor put a belt around me. A rope attached to the belt went through a pulley that ran on an overhead cable. He held on to end of the rope, and we went back and forth the pool, hour after hour, day after day, week after week, month after month, year after year. On each trip across the pool, a bit of the panic seized me. Each time the instructor relaxed his hold on the rope and I went under, some of the old terror returned and my legs froze. It was 3 months before the tension began to slack. Then
3 महीने तक प्रैक्टिस किया.
taught me to put my face under water and exhale.
हाँ, तो ये क्या क्या उसने सिखाया, ये इम्पोर्टेंट है, बताओ.
Month after month, day after day, week after across the pool, a bit of the panic. अच्छा अभी नहीं पढ़ा ना, अच्छा पढ़ लिया. On the rope and I went under. अच्छा नहीं अभी नहीं पढ़ा. Water and exhale, and to raise my nose and inhale.
या फिर से.
He taught me to put my face under water and exhale, and to raise my nose and out and inhale. I repeated the exercise hundreds of times, but bit by bit, month by month, year by year, week by week, day by day, I shed part of the panic that seized me, and my head went underwater. Next, he held me at the side of the pool and had me kick with my legs.
फर्स्ट था नाक अंदर डाल के सांस लो, सॉरी छोड़ो, बाहर निकाल के सांस लो. दूसरा,
But they gradually relaxed and finally और kick करते थे उसको, and finally I could command. At first, pool and had me kick with my legs. For weeks, panic in there. At first, my legs refused to work, but they gradually relaxed, and finally, I could command them. Thus, piece by piece, day by day, week by week, year by year, month by month, he built a simmer. And when he had perfected each piece, he put them together into the integrated whole. In April, he said, अभी October से April पर.
October, November, December, January, February, March, April. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 months. 3 महीने तक तो इसको हो ही नहीं रहा था. 3 महीने बाद स्टार्ट किया तो 4 महीने लग गए.
Now you can swim, dive off, and swim the length of the pool crawl stroke. I did. The instructor was finished. क्यों?
इंस्ट्रक्शन होना चाहिए था ना. इंस्ट्रक्शन was finished.
मतलब पहले भी curtain of life closed. हम इंस्ट्रक्टर फिनिश हो गए. लिखना नहीं आता.
Sorry. With due respect.
But I was not finished. अरे यार ये क्या इंसान है यार ये.
With due respect.
I still wondered if I would be terror-stricken when I was alone in the pool. I tried it. I swam the length up and down. Tiny vestiges of the old terror would return. But now I would frown and say to the terror, trying to scare me, huh? Well, here's to you. Look! And off I'd go for another length of the pool. This went on until July, but I was still not
May,
satisfied.
June, July. 3 महीने और. Okay.
3 महीने तक ये पानी को कहता है trying to scare me. So I went to lake. Worth in New Hampshire. Dived off a
Hampshire. Hampshire.
अरे कुछ ऐसा कल भी पढ़ा था पेरी पेरी. Dived off a dock at Triggs Island and swam 2 miles across the lake to Swamp at Island. I swam the crawl. क्या?
ये dive मतलब swimming के different techniques है.
Okay.
I swam the crawl, the breaststroke, the side stroke, and the backstroke. So what? Crawl, breaststroke, side stroke,
backstroke. Only once did the terror return. अरे terror यार. When I was in the middle of the lake, I put my face under and saw nothing but bottomless water. अभी ज़मीन नहीं दिख रही जिसको धक्का देके ऊपर आना था. The old sensation returned in miniature. I laughed and said, "Well, Mr. Terror, what do you think you can do to me?" It fled me and I swam on. Mr. Terror. लग रहा है पक्का 10 साल के बच्चे नहीं लिखा है. Yet I had residual doubts. At my first opportunity, I hurried west, went up the Titan to Conrad Meadows, up the Conrad Creek Trail to Med Glacier, and camped in the high meadow by the side of Warm Lake. The next morning, I stripped, dived into the lake, and swam across to the other shore and back, just as Doc Corpon used to. I shouted with joy, and Gilbert Peak returned to the echo. I had conquered my fear of water. The experience had a deep meaning for me, as only those who have known for Starker and conquered appreciate.
अच्छे से.
अरे इतना कुछ था. In death there is peace.
नहीं important है ये line important है इस पे question आता है.
The experience had a deep meaning for me, as those who have known stark terror and conquered it can appreciate. In death there is peace. मौत को लेके अजीब ही विचार हैं.
एक second. The experience had deep meaning, as only those who have
known stark terror and conquered it. क्या है इसमें इतना?
It can appreciate it.
जो पानी में डूबे उन्हें पता है, जो मरे हुए. In death there is peace. ये बात उन्हें पता है जो मर चुके हैं. There is terror only in the fear of death. As Roosevelt knew when he said, all we have to fear is self. Because I had experienced both the sensation of dying and the terror that fear of it can produce. The will to live somehow grew in intensity. At last I felt released, free to climb and trails and climb on the peaks and to brush aside fear.
Okay, अब questions करते हैं जो in text है.
How does Douglas...
In text, ऊपर.
Why was Douglas determined to get over his fear of water?
क्यों?
Because Douglas knew that there was peace in death. So
बहुत कुछ भी.
कहाँ से निकालूं? Why did Douglas in chapter D play class 12 chapter 3
बकवास क्या करे?
want
सीधा question.
he was
According
pushed
to
into the
success CDs,
अरे यार
he
मैं
was
खुद पढ़
pushed
लूंगी.
into the pool by another boy and experienced death closely. Many years after that incident, he stayed away from
बस.
water, but the desire to go
Question देख क्या था?
बोल रही हूँ मैं.
नहीं, उधर
Why did Douglas क्या?
वही तो कहा मैंने. question क्या था? Why was he determined
To get over his fear of death.
fear? Why did Douglas? Why was
Determined to
get over his fear?
get over his Douglas
हाँ ये था यहाँ था.
to wish to enjoy them and the craving to regain his lost consciousness while
चलो
being
उस वाले पैराग्राफ पे वापस जाओ.
स्टार्टिंग में होगा ना.
नहीं नीचे 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 हाँ ये लास्ट पैरा से स्टार्ट करेंगे.
A few years later,
This handicap stayed with me as the years rolled by. In canoes on main lakes, fishing for something, bass fishing in New Hampshire, trout fishing on the ditches and whatever, fishing for salmon on the Columbia at Bumping Lake in the Cascades. Whenever I went, the haunting fear of water followed me. It ruined my fishing trips, deprived me of the joy of canoeing, boating and swimming.
यहाँ पे क्यों नहीं पहुंची?
अरे
बोल दे.
एक मिनट. Fishing trips deprived me of the joy of fishing trips, canoeing, boating and swimming. Good.
How did Douglas make sure that he conquered the old terror?
Wait.
How did the instructor build a swimmer out of Douglas?
Huh.
He made the Douglas in water. Exhale. Then out of water. Inhale. Then he kicked him with his legs. But Douglas, firstly, his legs were not like numb and not like being very helpful for him. But furthermore, he tried. He was able to command his leg to move and kick, and then started to go canoeing and boating and
And,
swimming.
in this way,
day by day, month by month, year by year,
Year by year,
he became a swimmer out of Douglas. A swimmer out of Douglas was built, and the instructor was finished, but Douglas was not finished.
How did Douglas make sure that he conquered the world?
He made sure by swimming, and when he saw that wow, I'm swimming well, then he said, "Mr. Terror, what you finish."
ये नहीं उसका आंसर अच्छा सा देख नेट पे देख कॉपी कर.
अच्छा हाँ ये भी तो करा जाता है ना.
क्या क्या सिखाना पड़ेगा. कंट्रोल सी, कंट्रोल वी.
Answer to make sure he was conquered fear. Douglas went to lake, went over to कुछ.
In New Hampshire, dived in and swam 2 miles.
Only once when he was in the middle of the lake did the terror return.
नीचे बाई उसका आंसर देखो. ब्रेनली का अच्छा नहीं.
He swam alone in the pool. He went through. बाजी को क्यों प्रमोशन कर रही है?
नहीं सबका अच्छा होता है.
The remnants of the old terror would return.
नीचे देखो स्टडी अड्डा का देखो. मैं किसी को नहीं असार्थक का देखो सीधे. अरे ऊपर. हाँ वही वाला.
He shouted.
Press. Click. Down, up.
The author had learned to swim, but he wanted to make sure that he had conquered his old fear. He decided to overcome his fear of water. He went to Lake in New Hampshire, dived off dock at Triggs Island, swam middle of the Stampact Island. When he was in the middle of the lake, he got a little frightened. The next day, he drove over the warm lake and swam over the next shore and gave me shout with joy. And Gilbert Peak returned to the echo. Thus, Douglas conquered his fear.
Okay. क्यों देती है? Okay. Next chapter.